Hats off to Shia LaBeouf because he and his girlfriend Mia Goth are engaged. Us Weekly reports the news got out when the couple was grabbing groceries at a local store back in February when the 29-year-old actor told the cashier they were set to get married, and an onlooker apparently spotted Goth wearing a large diamond ring on her finger. Funny thing is, we haven't really seen the couple since the end of January, but we look at those photos, yep, she is wearing a ring. Guess we should have noticed that. Either way, the pair's been dating on and off since they met on the set of Nymphomaniac Volume 2 in 2012. They had a high-profile split when Shia was famously caught on tape threatening her. Still no word from either camp, but if the rumor is true, we just hope he shines up a little bit for the big day.